Hey everybody, what's up? In today's video, we would like to calculate the remainder of two numbers. We would like to learn how to calculate the remainder of two numbers in 1 minute lesson. So the first number is called a. So the variable called a, then number 17 is assigned to it. So a equals 17. And the second variable is called b, and number 5 is assigned to it. Now I would like to learn how to calculate the remainder of these two numbers. So the remainder of if a is divided by b. Okay, so first I use the print function. I have this message saying that remainder of 17 by 5. So remainder of, and then we put the number, the variable a divided by the variable b. So their values are being shown in the output. And then in order to find the remainder of a division, simply we use the modulus operator. So a modulo b, it is going to calculate the remainder of a when it is divided by b. So the remainder of a divided by b is number 2. So using the modulo operator, we could calculate it.